Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT access denied. Error 1020, which is frequently displayed as a ChatGPT access denied error, is a sign that Cloudflare has blacklisted your IP address as a result of questionable or dangerous activity. You can fix this by using techniques like using a VPN to change your IP, erasing ChatGPT data in cache, and deactivating potentially harmful Chrome extensions. So, how you're going to do this, you just have to go to the three dots and then go to your privacy and security, go to clear browsing data, and do what I'm doing right now. You can clear data all time, 24 hours. You can also clear data in the last 7 days, and so on. Okay, so that also includes site settings, 57 sites that will be totally erased and removed once you tap clear data. You can go back to ChatGPT to see the result and to see if this one worked. Okay, so to do that, you just have to tap this arrow here, or you can simply go to Google Chrome and type ChatGPT and see if you can log in to their site. Now, if not, you can just simply refresh or do the next method, which is to remove all or some of the Chrome extensions that can affect your ChatGPT's malfunctioning. Okay, so you can also go to Google Play Store and check if your Google Chrome is updated. One of the reasons why you encounter problems when you go to some sites, Google Chrome, is that your Google Chrome is not updated. To use the latest version and to avoid any lags and problems, you must update your Google Chrome. Okay, so once you update that one, you can now open and see if you can now log into your ChatGPT. Another thing is that when you're using your desktop or laptop, go to settings and then privacy and security, and then go to site settings. Okay, and then search ChatGPT and then delete everything under ChatGPT. Okay, so you can now go back to your ChatGPT, or you can now go back to the site. And I do hope that any of these methods could help you fix ChatGPT access denied. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.